All right, so I wanted to share with you a little project I was working on. You know those little notifications you get at the top right part of the screen, right up here. Uh, they're really handy when you get a reminder saying got to do this thing today, and and then I'll leave it on the screen until I do it. So if I'm busy doing something, I leave it up there, and then it kind of bugs me to get it done. But sometimes I want to actually just generate one. I want to be there now. I don't want it to be in an hour. I want it to be right now. And you can do some workarounds. Like I noticed you can ask Siri. You can't ask Siri to remind you to do something right now. But you can ask Siri to remind you to do something in 1 second. And if you type in reminders, you have to do a minute. So you say in 1 minute. So then the reminder appears. But it would be nice to have like a way just to put it up there. Like say I'm going to lunch. I'm about to go to lunch. I'm like, oh yeah, as soon as I get back, I want to do this thing. I want to put that notification right up there now. And then when I get back, I see it's right on the screen. So can you do this using, say, a script? Yes, you can, it turns out. So let's run Script Editor. Script Editor is a default app on your Mac. We'll create a new document, and you can write AppleScript in Script Editor. But I like writing JavaScript, or JXA as it's called. And here's the script. Look how fast I type. Okay, so I pasted this in here. Clean it up there a bit for you so you can see what the deal is. Here's what it is. First, all JXA scripts. Oh yeah, make sure you switch to JavaScript if you're going to use this. All JXA scripts, start kind of with like what app you're using. So app equals current application, which is going to be Script Editor in this case. You got to include standard definitions or standard editions. Because this notification center thing to display a notification is part of that. So you need that. Then now I want this to be customized. I don't want it to be there saying remind me to do something. I want it to say what the thing is I want to do. So I'm going to do a prompt. So this is a prompt here. It's going to take put the contents of this prompt into a variable message. App display dialog. It's going to bring up a dialog. What to do here, and blank, and then .text return gives me the text and sticks that back into message. So basically this is going to pop up a little thing and it's going to stick it up there. And then this displays the notification. App.display notification with the message and title reminder. Let's try it. Like that, what to do. Remember to do the thing. Hit OK. And there it is. It's in the upper right. Now watch this. It's going to go away because that's what reminders do. They go away. So how do you fix that? Well, it turns out you go to System Preferences, go to Notifications, and you look for Script Editor. And you change it to an alert style rather than a banner style. Now when I run this, it comes up and it says Close or Show. Show is not going to actually do anything in this case. There's nothing to show. But it'll stay there until I hit close. This is great. So now I go to lunch, come back. There it is bugging me in the upper right hand corner. Now what can you do to make this easier? I mean, I could definitely save this out as an application. Something, I just double click on it and it runs. Maybe put that in the dock. I could just save it as a script, but I could put it in the script folder, the application scripts, or let's see, you can go to Preferences and you can say Script Menu. Show the script menu, which is up here, right? And then I could say Open the User Scripts folder, and I could save this script here. So I can save into the User Scripts folder. Custom reminder. Okay, now it should be up here. There it is. So I can quit Script Editor, close this window here. About to go to lunch. Custom reminder. Do the thing. There you go. I go to lunch. Message is there. I didn't have to. And another reason I don't like the whole idea of remind me to do something in 1 second or 1 minute is it creates another reminder that's then synced to all your devices. I don't want to get reminded and then it be on my iPhone, because I'm going to lunch. I want it to be on my Mac, so when I get back, it's there. I could say remind me to do something when I get back, and it'll do a location based. But no, this is what I want here, and this is, I think, really useful to be able to do. And it's kind of a neat little script